back. So if you notice, everything's kind of a mess, same as my last video. Little tiny human back there sleeping now, but so ignore all that. But yeah, some of these are going to be kind of like a stretch because they're playing off of each other, but you know, anything to get that number. My hair is really dirty and it's got a bunch of hairspray and stuff in it, so it's going to kind of pull and tug, and it's going to be a little bit difficult for me to do in this video. Archie, stop! So just ignore that. But yeah. Alright, for the first one, it's just going to be like super easy. Everybody does it. So stop. It's going to be a half up, half down bun. I'm just literally grabbing a bunch of hair. I don't care if it's like I'm not even or not. Then you can do the top part however you like. You can do it to the side, you can do it all back. Doesn't really matter. Just your, however you want to do your bun is okay with you, but what I'm going to do is just wrap it up, twirl, wrap it up, then twirl. Pull down any little bit of hairs that you want, or broken pieces I should say. Alright, this is hairstyle number 1. Time for number 2. Basically just going to be a play off of the other one that I just did. Split it down the center or close to the center. Then I'm just going to pull some of it up. Just using these clear ones because I've only brought one big one, but normally I would put more than that in. So my camera just died, but I'm back. Just pull on them and get them however you personally like. Pull out little front hairs if you want, and this is this one. So for number 3, this one's going to be a little bit difficult for me to do, I think, on camera and with all this hairspray. So what I'm going to do is start by taking this top corner on one side. It's going to be a double Dutch light half braid, and I'm just going to do it like you normally would do. Under. Then when I get here to the back, I'm just going to braid down just a little. Alright, I'm going to go do this other one, and I'll be right back. Alright, so these definitely aren't the best. I just kind of, did them quick. You can't pull on them, make them that, like, butterfly type of way where they're all spaced out, or you can just leave it this way. Number 4. Alright, so number 4 is going to be a play off of this one right here, so we're just going to turn it into little buns. So we're just going to put these little bad boys up. Alright, so same thing like all the other ones. You can just pull them out however you want, and there you go. So I'm just going to take a piece like this front, and I'm going to take this back and put it into a little plate. And I did mess that other side up, but it's no biggie. Alright, I think I like this side better because I didn't pull out as much, but either way. So this is the half up, half down. Or the half up, half down with a little bangs out, like little 90s girl thing. I have a sidebar, and we're just gonna do a Dutch braid down the side. So just like every other style that we've done, you can move it around how you want, pull out some little pieces if you want. You can tug on this braid if you want, make it butterfly. It's up to you. My hair is down the middle for this one again, and let me tell you, my hair is so glad that we only got 2 more left. I don't know how much more it can take of all these yank and pull-ons and stuff. Alright, so first what we're going to do is we're going to do 4 top Dutch braid backs. So now that we have this down the middle, we're going to split this right here. Twist, twist, twist. We're going to flip it over here. And we're going to take another little diagonal. And we're going to pull it over real quick. And I'm just going to pull this back out the way. I'm going to take this half that is not clipped and Dutch braid it back. Oh my god, all my braids are terrible today. And we're going to take down this part that we clipped and do the same thing. Lord, my braids are terrible today. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side the same exact way, and then I will be right back. So this is what number 7 is. It is 2 little top braids, and you can keep them going all the way down if you want. It's up to you. Doesn't matter. Again, you can pull them whatever you want. Same thing on the side with you. Alright. So number 8. And the final one is going to be really, really, really simple, and we're just going to do little buns. Alright, so just tug how you want, and there we go. And that is the 8th and final one, and it's just 4 Dutch braids back with 2 little buns. Alright, so that's it for this video. Really hope you enjoyed it and you really like these hairstyles. These are all hairstyles that are really kind of cute, trendy, whatever. Real, you know, just if you want something out of your face, you can just do it real quick. You know, braids and buns are all there. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.